The ayes to the right, 320.
The ayes have it, the ayes have it. Look!
A significant development took place in UK's immigration policy. Rishi Sunak, the Prime Minister, has successfully navigated a controversial bill through Parliament. This could reshape the landscape of asylum seeking in Britain. After much debate, Prime Minister Rishi Sunak's Rwanda bill has officially passed in the UK Parliament. This legislation compels judges to regard Rwanda as a safe third country and grants ministers the authority to co-pass sections of international and British human rights law.
Yeah, I'm still committed to the timeline that I set out previously, which was we aim to get a flight off in the spring. It's important that we get the Rwanda scheme up and running because we need to have a deterrent. We need to make it clear that if you come here illegally, you won't be able to stay and we will be able to remove you. That is the only way to properly solve the issue of illegal migration.
The bill aims to deport asylum seekers to Rwanda, a move intended to put a stop to illegal migration and disrupt the activities of human traffickers.
Actually a fundamental change on the global equation on how to tackle illegal migration. And so, voting this bill through Parliament today, we collectively can send a very clear message.
The ayes have it,
The passing of the Rwanda bill has ignited a storm of criticism. The United Nations has urged the UK to reconsider its plans, citing concerns over the rule of law and setting a dangerous precedent on a global scale.
This new legislation seriously hinders the rule of law in the UK, and it sets a perilous precedent globally.
Critics argue that Rwanda faces allegations of human rights abuses under President Paul Kagame's regime. Despite assurances from the British government, doubts persist about the safety of Rwanda as a destination for asylum seekers. This policy was originally proposed by former Prime Minister Boris Johnson in 2022. The Rwanda scheme sought to stem the tide of illegal migration by offering an alternative destination for asylum seekers arriving in Britain.
So from today, our new Migration and Economic Development Partnership will mean that anyone entering the UK illegally, as well as those who have arrived illegally since January the 1st, may now be relocated to Rwanda.
However, legal challenges and opposition in both domestic and international arenas, Rishi Sunak has shown his determination to see the plan through. With the passage of the Rwanda bill, Prime Minister Sunak has prepared himself to implement his vision for immigration reform.
The House of Commons has spoken, the Conservative Party has come together, the Rwanda bill has passed. It's now time for the Lords to pass this bill too.
The ayes have it, the ayes have it. Look!
The Rwanda bill marks a significant moment in Britain's immigration landscape. The policy has sparked debates over the balance between national security and human rights. Sunak faced intense questioning the day his deportation bill finally passed the Parliament, raising the question of whether he would call a summer election to take advantage of the plan's implementation. But according to a number of polls, the party is losing ground in the elections and even Sunak may lose his seat. Furthermore, the most recent Ipsos survey revealed that support for the Conservatives has dropped to a level not seen in 45 years. Rishi Sunak has refused to rule out a July general election amid speculation he could go to the polls as the first Rwanda flights take off. As UK goes to general elections next year, it would be interesting to see how Rishi Sunak's deportation policy shapes his and the Conservative Party's political future.